CNN, Puppet News Network. This just in. The Chickens takes Crypto.com Arena playing basketball. People in Los Angeles. People wants to say something. I don't give Crypto.com Arena a cluck. Well, after Kobe Bryant died. Thanks a lot, Shelly. And now we can go to the park. Would you get out of here? I said we can go to the park. Get out. Jeffy, say something about the chickens. These chickens laying an egg on top of arena. You see? You want to say something to know?
A flock of basketball playing chickens.
You know what's gonna happen next on this future? The celebration of life of Kobe Bryant on August 24, 2023. Well, that's all the news. I guess that's it. Farewell, Mother Cluckers. Woo!